Human beings venture into the highest parts of our planet at their peril. Some might think that by climbing a great mountain they have somehow conquered it, but we can only be visitors here. This is a frozen, alien world. South of the tree line, the winters are shorter, so trees grow faster and taller, and forests begin to appear. Their variety and complexity is breathtaking. Each snowflake is water waiting to be released in spring. For this reason, snow is the lifeblood of these silent forests, and all that live here depend on it in one way or another.